But hopefully, oh, come on, it just barely missed me, man. Wow. Alright, let me know what's still messed up. Oh man, it might just dump without us. So unfortunate. Ah, I ran into it. Man, everything's in here. Come on, let's get a nice little bear fight right here. It's a little lower. I love bear fighting. You run the risk of a potential push to the upside here, but I love what I'm seeing from here. Sounds the same. Son of a bitch. What is going on? Scene transitions. Why does it sound like a robot?
Testing. Testing, testing. Okay, I think it's fixed now, guys. Does it sound the same or better? I think one of the wires was loose. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Much better. Okay, good. Apologies for that. So you guys didn't know anything about what I was talking about when it comes to my analysis. uh, too funny. All right. So we broke this equal low right here, right from up here, and we got to continue to dump off. I wanted to see a pullback into this right here to short it into this level, but it did a front run right here, down here, and we couldn't get in that. But we're trying to see if we can get a nice pullback to this 5-minute 20 EMA right here to continue the trend to the downside. There's a nice little imbalance right here as well that we want to try to take advantage of. So what we want to see is this to come back, tap into 20 EMA or kind of close to 20 EMA, and tap us into all the resting orders right here to continue to move down, because we haven't tapped into 955 yet. So technically I'm still seeing a move down for us to get down to that 55 level. So now if we get a strong push right here and we break the highs right here, then we might be heading back up. But this high right here at 304 should hold. If it doesn't, then we're going to get a nice push and we're going to go back into this 1-minute imbalance right here. And that's what we don't want to see if we want to see a continuation to the downside. But I do like this trade enough to take it on multiple accounts. So I will be taking this trade on multiple accounts. We just broke under the 20 EMA on the 15 minute as well. There's a nice break of structure right there. We pulled back already, so oh man, there's a good chance that this might just straight down. Starting to have trouble here, getting a push to the upside. We just want a nice quick like push up, make another high. There'll be a nice little bear flag, you know. But if we don't get it, then it might just start running down. All right. Get a little bounce off of this level right here at 71. See if we can get a push up, a quick, we just want like a quick push up. Maybe we might get it because it's 15 minutes till 7 o'clock. So technically you get a quick volume spike around that time. Let's see if we get it. That's a strong push down from there. So we might just get a flush here. It doesn't want to form the bear flag unless it bounces right here. It's just taken out. Oh, look at that flush. Okay, so it's a pretty strong flush. This is a pretty bearish setup right here. So I do want to see if we can continue pushing even lower. We did tap into that 55 level, so that is a nice tap right there. Really strong sell-off candle right there. And sometimes you just gotta miss out, but you know, we did get a little bit greedy in our entry here. We want a little bit more, because if you look, right, we did tap into that imbalance. I mean, technically, you can still get a pretty decent 2-to-1 if you're not greedy there, right? Because you can play for the sweep, go a little bit lower. So yeah, it's a really nice setup. Unfortunate we had to miss out on it, but that's a nice play right there. And now there was a lot of volume in this sell-off candle. So I would not be surprised if we get a bounce to fill this imbalance right here. But if it continues to sell off, I would not mind looking at the longs with the 182 holding. Let's take a look at the hourly. So the 20 EMA on the hourly is slowly creeping up too. So if you look, we could technically fall down to the 20 EMA before bouncing while holding 182. So if we get any imbalances being created, we can take it to continue the short down if the market offers it to us. So I'm gonna take this off, obviously, because we don't want it to go up there no more. If it goes up there, it means that the trend is a lot weaker than we thought. All right, so we're gonna try to focus on the 1 minute. Try to get something going on the minute, because we know that we can get a continuation down to the 20 EMA on the hourly. So we're gonna try to see if we can get a pretty decent bounce here. I don't want to be too greedy with the bounce, just because this is such a strong sell-off, and we really don't have any 5-minute imbalances up here. So I might take a shot like around 65. So we take a short at 65. Stops at right there. So we can technically go around about 400. So we can do 20 micros. If it comes in, tags us in, this would be the trade for us to continue going lower. Otherwise, it might just dump without us. Hopefully, it doesn't dump without us this time. It comes in and just tags us in, and then it just starts dumping. because I do like the setup. I mean, we broke the low, we broke this low along with this low, so any pullback is just an opportunity to go lower. We do run the risk, because we're entering here, we do run the risk of getting stopped out as it goes and potentially heads towards the 20 EMA. But we're trying to play with the momentum here. So we're trying to play for a stronger momentum to the downside to continue the trend to push lower faster versus slower. So we'll see if we get it, because we're about 10 minutes away from the 7 o'clock open. Getting a decent push here, but is it enough? Man, we're getting an overtake candle already. So unfortunate. Little overtake candle right there. It's just doesn't want to discount it too much. It just wants to continue dumping here. Come on. Yeah, I mean it's possible that it can buy up. So I want to see it see if we can get another sweep, but you're right. There's a good chance that it can buy up from here. Very good chance. Especially at this level. I just don't want to call the bottom yet. Even though it's possible. Just don't want to call it. Just because I see this level right here, and there's a lot of a space in between here, and then we finally got this dump, so I just think the market wants to continue going lower. Nah, unfortunate. I think it is gonna run here. Kind of don't want to see a pump here now, but you know what? We don't want to focus on how the candlesticks look like. We want to focus on the liquidity. So we're just gonna stick with it. Let it kind of do its thing. Okay, we did get tagged into this short. So we're gonna put our stop up here. We're gonna put our, oh shoot. And if it just runs up, then that just tells you we're probably gonna go back up to the highs, the ones that I have marked all the way up here. And that's a pretty strong move. So more than likely, that's probably what we're gonna get. Yeah, that's a lot of buying pressure right there. Let's see. Let's set up this account. Okay, we got a nice low rejection right there. So let's see what happens. That's why just gotta play the levels. You can't really judge a book too soon by its cover, but if we flush through, we overtake this candle, there's a good chance that we'll flush down to this level down here. In fact, I want to play it to the body of this candle right here if it does flush. So I'm gonna push it right there. But yeah, that just got bought right back up, so that's no good. We're probably gonna go push through the highs. Yep, so if it goes back up here to 20 EMA, we might get this push up into this right here. Just because this is a level that we wanted to, really we wanted to play to this level, but that short right there was a little bit greedy. Almost like a continuation short, so. Yep, there's a old block there. But we might that might be the end of the little short downtrend, and then I do think we're gonna start heading back up. Because if we wanted to see a continuation there, that would have been it. We didn't get the continuation, so more than likely we're gonna get a nice push up here now into this this like 320 level. But yeah, just want to do a quick 1 hour session. Down 2 trades, unfortunately, but it's just 2 trades. Take 1 trade at a time. Don't over risk. use the same risk. We'll get it back. Appreciate you guys coming to stay and watch. See if I can do this every day.